Hi students, this is Sucharata, SST teacher, and now I am going to teach you the fourth chapter of History class 8th, and the name of the chapter is Tribal, Dikus and the Vision of a Golden Age. First of all, let me tell you about the title of the chapter. Tribal means, which I am going to tell you in detail later on, is actually a group of people who generally it is perceived live a very secluded life. Then the Dikus. The Dikus is a word which the tribals gave to the outsiders, the encroachers. Those who tried getting into their life, they considered them as Dikus. Then the vision of a golden age, meaning to say that what they dreamt, anticipated, what they thought would be an age after India gains independence, after the Britishers had left India. What they visualized, what they dreamt was in fact the vision of a golden age. At the beginning of the chapter, they talk about Birsa Munda, who in 1895 was seen about moving in the Chota Nagpur plateau in Chhattisgarh. About Birsa Munda, we will be talking in detail at the end of the chapter. But here, for you, you must know that he was supposed to have miraculous powers. He could double the grain of the farmers. He could cure them with any disease that they had. He was considered as a representative of God on earth, and he was sent to earth to drive the Britishers out from their place. It is said that some people even revered him as Bhagwan and felt that he is the one who can actually relieve them from all the pains and sufferings that the British rule had given to them. Birsa Munda belonged to the Munda group, that is the tribal group in Chhattisgarh. But the other tribal groups like the Santals and the Orians also revered him equally. It is for the simple reason that all the tribals at this time experienced the same suffering, pain as were experienced by the other. And those sufferings were, they felt that the Britishers had encroached into their territory, their livelihood was in danger, their culture was destroyed, and also their religion was endangered. So they were looking for a leader who could unite all these varying tribal groups and give them the shape of a united front. But the next question is, who are tribals? Now these tribals of course are the people who live a secluded life and who have customs which are different from rest of us. They like to live at a particular place and do not like to move around, and they are the ones who generally do not have sharp divisions, that is the social divisions within themselves. But this does not mean that they do not have any economic or social divisions. There are, but they are not very sharp. So this was about the beginning of the chapter, that is about Birsa Munda, about whom we are going to talk in detail at the end of the chapter, the problems which the tribals were facing, and of course who the tribals are at all. In the next clipping, now we would like to look into their life, and we shall be first looking at what their livelihoods were.